Good Tuesday, everybody. Meteorologist Jonathan Condor here. Hold on. A little breezy today. You probably already heard the winds. They're going to get a lot higher, so let's get you ready for the day. Maybe you need a light jacket, maybe a hoodie or windbreaker. And then I'm thinking sunglasses and t-shirts later this afternoon, honestly. It'll be comfortable. Now, I did go worst case scenario with a high of 80, but that is very brief. If you notice on the what to wear forecast, we spend most of the afternoon in the 70s. South winds 20, gusting 30 to 35 miles an hour. Not quite high enough for us to qualify for that wind advisory. Nonetheless, south breezes for sure. Tonight the winds stay up, south like 15. Overnight lows in the 50s. Cold front comes in, and that will impact us a little bit. It's a weak cold front for Wednesday. There's a series of cold fronts, one on Friday, then the big chunk of cold air comes in. It's a game changer for Sunday. How cold? Oh, cold, for sure. High temperatures will actually be this weekend, maybe even lower than low temperatures tomorrow morning. So it's a game changer. So what do you got to do? Come pay us a visit. KOCO 5 News, hour-long newscast at 9 and 11 a.m. We'll have your updated 5+5 day forecast.